Hi everybody. I hope you guys are doing great. आप सभी को मेरा सादर जय जिनेंद्र. So without wasting much time, let us get started with our understanding of today's all-time high market. So let's get started, guys. So before looking for new opportunities, let us first focus on what we learned yesterday. Yesterday, we were focusing on trend, which was trading at its all-time high. It gave a closing near its day high and also the nearest resistance. And today, you saw it gave a beautiful up move. Now, the question should be how to enter into stocks, which gives a move like this. Well, remember, you never want to catch a running train, right? You always want a small pullback and then you want to trade, right? Otherwise, you will end up catching a lot of falling knife, correct? So in this case, if you see, it gave a good up move, consolidated for 15-20 minutes, then gave a breakout and a continuation. So whenever you're looking to trade, always look for small retracement, small pullbacks, a small consolidation before you enter. I hope you've understood the logic behind trend. And remember one thing, always buy the strength and sell the weakness. So now we will go and move forward to some really interesting stocks which are ready to give really big moves. Okay, so the first stock is ITC, right? Now ITC we had already discussed in our Instagram post, right? So let us focus on ITC on a weekly time frame. Now when you look at ITC on a weekly time frame, just look at the beautiful structure it is forming. First of all, what do you see on the chart? From this level, ITC fell sharply. Again, it fell a bit from this level. And this time around, the good part is before giving a breakout, it has shown me a good retracement. So I am looking forward to a very beautiful long opportunity in ITC for a short-term trade, which could last up to 3 to 4 weeks or even a month, right? So ITC is looking very good from this level. Now, remember on our Instagram channel, we have already initiated a trade on ITC at around these levels, correct? So now is a time when I will be adding more into my winning position. Well, that's how I trade, right? I buy higher and I always look for the market to show me the strength. I do not like to buy at the weakness. I always like to buy at the strength of a trend, right? So another beautiful stock which we had discussed yesterday was Federal Bank. Now, if you go to Federal Bank first on a daily time frame, as we discussed yesterday, just see what a beautiful breakout it has given from the level as we were discussing yesterday. Can you see over here? It formed a bullish pin bar at this particular level, and then today the up move has been amazing. Let's go to weekly time frame and see what is happening on this chart. On a weekly time frame, if you see, again it is giving me a very beautiful structure. So this is the level which it has taken out, but look how beautifully this level is taken out after so much consolidation. So again, Federal Bank and ITC, these are two stocks which should be on your radar for a positional trade, right? Here your holding period is going to be longer. It's not just going to be a week or so. Here you are going to be holding your trade for a longer period of time. Also, it depends on how early your target or your stop loss is breached. But any which ways, these are two stocks which you should keep on your radar, Federal Bank and ITC. Now let's move forward. Some stocks which you can also prefer for intraday trading. So two of them are Sun Pharma and HDFC Bank. And the homework for you is that try to figure out the comparison between trend and these two stocks in the comment section. So let's go to first Sun Pharma. So if you look at Sun Pharma on a daily time frame, it is pretty much visible that it is trading near its all-time high, and not just that, it gave the breakout from this particular level, okay, and it is sustaining above its all-time high and the nearest resistance. If you look at this point, it is the nearest resistance, is trading above that. Further, it is closed near its day high. Now again, Sun Pharma is again a stock where we got our entry at this point, and now we are seeing a good continuation. So again, we are looking at entering into this stock again, right? So let's move to another stock, which is HDFC Bank, right? So if you go to HDFC Bank, Again, a very similar structure. You just need to figure out what I am trying to suggest. What is happening in HDFC Bank? So if you look at HDFC Bank, अब देखो ये सेम लेवल से एक बार रिजेक्ट हुआ, दो बार रिजेक्ट हुआ, तीन बार रिजेक्ट हुआ, चौथी बार अब जब ये रिजेक्शन दिखा रहा है, what is happening at this level? Let's focus on the nearest price action. This is the level which we are looking for. Correct? This is HDFC Bank. So if you see for the last 3 days, it is respecting this particular mother candle. So tomorrow, if it opens flat, it can give me straight up move without stopping. However, it needs to open flat and then give me a good up move with a continuation. Correct. Another stock which I am looking forward to is Bharat Forge. Let's have a look at Bharat Forge. This is the chart of Bharat Forge on a daily time frame. Now, when you look at the chart, it does not give you much information at this point of time. What you can do is you can go back, look at the kind of structure the stock was forming before. It was trading inside this range. It gave a breakout and then obviously it gave a very strong up move. But what was happening recently? If you look at this particular stock recently, it was actually staying in this particular range, right? And then it managed to give a breakout. Now, if I were to remove the trend lines and focus on the horizontal lines, I'm looking at a very beautiful structure, right? Look at this area. So it was inside this range, right? This particular range for a long time. So good period of consolidation is being taken out and I'm looking for an entry above 815 in this particular stock for again a very good swing trade, right? So here the momentum can be very big, very huge. So keep Bharat Forge on your watch list. Again, I hope you learned a lot, right? We are only focusing on long opportunities as the market is showing strength. So we have to follow the strength, right, which the market is showing. So now you can expect good amount of momentum in these particular stocks. So keep them on your radar. If you're enjoying the content, make sure you like the video, hit the subscribe button and comment down the homework which I just asked you. So with that note, thank you so much and have a great evening. Thank you so much, guys.